I am speaking to Elizabeth Lonsdorf from Lincoln Park Zoo. So what do you do at the zoo?
At the zoo, I'm the director of the Lester Fisher Center for the Study and Conservation of Apes, which means anything and everything we do in terms of research and conserving apes, specifically chimpanzees and gorillas, here at Lincoln Park Zoo and abroad in places like Tanzania and the Republic of Congo.
Why did you become a scientist?
I became a scientist, I guess I just really enjoyed being with and working with animals and watching animals, and I didn't really realize until I was in college that people actually could get a job doing that. And one of the jobs that you can get where you're around animals all the time, if you're lucky enough, is to be a scientist who studies them.
Did you have animals at home?
I did.
Growing
We
up?
always had dogs, cats, birds, fish. No hamsters. My mom wouldn't let that. But
Did you study those?
you know, I didn't, and it's funny. Even now with my dog at home, I try not to analyze. Leave the work at work and
Just have fun with the dog. Okay, so what's the best part of your job?
I think the best part of my job is just the fact that I'm working and studying an animal and animals that I really care about, and so it's easy to get up and come to work in the morning when you know you're doing something for an animal that you really care about, for species that you really care about. And then specifically, one of the better parts of my day is just I get to come out of my office and see chimpanzees and gorillas when I take a break from my computer. So that's always a highlight.
What's the hardest part about your job?
I think the hardest part of my job is that most of it is sitting at a computer rather than being out and actually watching the animals. We have a ton of people collecting data for us and working on research projects with us, but our job is to really analyze and write up that data and submit reports and things, so I get very little time to actually watch the animals myself, and that's probably the hardest part because that's my favorite part.
What would you tell students who are interested in your career?
I think just to try and get experience wherever they can. I started volunteering at my local zoo or my local animal center. I volunteered with a veterinarian, so just kind of any hands-on experience that you can get. And typically when you start out, nobody's going to pay you just to get experience, so you have to be able to volunteer your time and get your things dirty a little bit.
Great. It was great talking to you. And,
Thank you.
Thanks.